Hi everyone, I am Noor, and this is an audio essay on the inner revolution of our times. This is something that energy intuitives have been talking about for a lot of years now, even decades actually, that the Earth's atmosphere is receiving very great amount of higher energy that is raising its vibration. Light workers, energy workers, healers, grid keepers have all been helping to integrate this higher energy. Think of it as a sort of a detoxification process. Whenever we do a cleanse, our body reacts to the process in different ways, most of which are uncomfortable in the beginning. Similarly, the earth has been healing itself from the damage mankind has done over the last many years. I would say that the situation with coronavirus and the lockdowns that followed has brought a lot of those imbalances to the forefront with urgency that people and social institutions realized a need for change. These times have also given people like me the courage that I admit I needed in order to really step up and contribute what I know that can make difference in a lot of people's lives, in how we perceive ourselves, about our role on this planet, and how that in turn affects the universal storyline. It is time for all of us to understand and realize that as a collective we can do a lot better, and that we have to move towards a more spiritful way of living. Over the last many decades, we've seen a lot of people champion the cause of the planet and encourage us all to move towards more sustainable ways of living. In 2020 and 2021, what has happened is that even those of us who do not yet connect with this bigger picture, we're becoming more mindful of the way we've been living. The pause may have been forced upon us, but the changes that followed have been largely intentional. We are looking at the flaws in our social infrastructure, the gaps in our education, in our corporate culture, the gaps in our policy making, in our health system, and so many other setups that hold together and help our society to grow. I empathize with everyone who's faced loss at a personal level due to COVID, and it's at times difficult to make sense of things, especially when the scale of this loss is global. It sort of forces us to put a lot of things into perspective, and that's exactly what has happened. And, as a result, when we look at the collective consciousness, we've truly made leaps and jumped timelines since last year. As a generation, it may still take us time to see the concrete and larger effects, but when we look around us, we can see a lot of positive change. More and more people are slowing down and taking care of their mental, emotional, and physical health. It's these small changes at the individual level that add up to raise the vibration of the planet. Healthier humans will make better choices for a healthier planet. This has also been a wake-up call for those of us who pushed our passions way into the darkness, believing that we don't have time for those things. We've realized that there may not be a tomorrow. We've really come face to face with the sense of mortality and what we want to do with our limited time in this body on this planet. There have been a lot of drastic changes professionally and also in how we express ourselves at the human level. The biggest shift, in my opinion, has been that people are being brave and innovative enough to start looking at the term profession as more than just a means of earning a living. More and more people are accommodating their lifestyles, their routines to make space for their individuality through different creative pursuits, which can easily turn into full-fledged careers. And that is the society that I believe we really want to live in, the kind of society which does not measure success against the parameters of our possessions and our income level alone. We are redefining what it means to be successful, to include our mental, physical, emotional well beings as well. I mean, not just include, but prioritize all these factors. We've seen a lot of success stories from people who lost their jobs and had to really get out of their comfort zones and push themselves in order to provide for themselves and their families. You know, as a species, our needs have shifted, our priorities have matured, and this is something worth applauding because us making those changes will in turn help our younger generations to make better choices as well. Even the smallest degree of shift in our trajectory can lead us to a completely different destination in the years to come. And that, I think, is commendable. So, if you are one of those people who've made some changes, big or small, do leave a comment below on what it was and how it is shaping up your life now. I'd love to know more. Having said all that, I do feel like putting in a word of caution that this may have been a very divinely timed intervention, in the sense that if we do not discipline ourselves and commit to the changes that we've made now, we may not get another chance as a civilization. I mean, how often can we expect the whole world to literally come to a standstill in order to rethink our choices as a collective? So let's pledge that as individuals, we'll make sure that our decisions, our actions, and our priorities are responsibly aligned with the well-being of our planet. Thank you so much for listening in, and I will talk to you guys again soon. Bye.